Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you regarding the highly anticipated Huawei Mate 60 Pro. So, make sure you stick around until the very end because this video is going to be really interesting. Many rumors are swirling around indicating that Huawei might finally be bringing 5G to the upcoming Huawei Mate 60 series. If you haven't heard yet, the Mate 60 series is expected to be unveiled in the second half of this year. But here's the big question. How is this even possible when Huawei is already facing bans? Recently, a reliable tipster, Claus Made Gun, revealed that the Huawei Mate 60 series will indeed have 5G capabilities. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can Huawei bring 5G to their devices when they can't access 5G-enabled chipsets from Qualcomm or Kirin? It seems like a dead end, right? Well, here's where things get interesting. According to the latest news, the upcoming Huawei Mate 60 series is rumored to have a slightly thicker design. But don't dismiss this as a drawback just yet. It could be a clever move by the company for a special reason. You see, Huawei was the first ever company in the world to bring 5G to smartphones. They started their journey using the Belong 5000 5G chip along with the Kirin 980. The Huawei Mate 20X 5G was their pioneering device, featuring both the Kirin 980 and Belong 5000 chipsets. It was a massive phone with a 7.2-inch screen, allowing Huawei to house both the modem and chipset required for 5G. Given their past experience, it's possible that Huawei could introduce a new 5G solution for the Mate 60. This solution might not be embedded in the chipset since it's already utilizing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4G chipset. Instead, Huawei could use a separate 5G modem, which would contribute to the device's thickness due to the additional module hardware. However, this approach isn't entirely new for Huawei. They have already mastered the technique of using separate chipsets for 5G. Although they moved on to the Kirin 995G integrated processor with the Huawei P40 series, they can't use that anymore due to the current bans. So, going back to the tried and true method could be their solution. While this information hasn't been officially confirmed, it appears to be the most plausible solution Huawei has to bring 5G to their upcoming Mate 60 series. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this exciting news. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.